Aiden. Now look. Hit this lever here and go backwards. Now hit the gas pedal. Hit the gas pedal. Put it backwards. There you go. Put it back there. Now hit the gas pedal. You go backwards. Thing's pretty fast. Alright, now put the lever forward. Ah! Alright, stop. Turn it the other way. There you go. See? Now hit the gas. Hit the gas. Aiden, hit the gas. Other way.
Push it. Where? Where?
See it? Gray pedal.
Gray pedal?
This one.
Oh, that one? Like that?
Yep, hit it like that.
Don't hit Mama's arm.
You read my mind.
Yeah, I'm crashing.
Hit the gas, Aiden.
We do.
Okay.